let's quickly go through some of the other input types for HTML form that are less commonly used. You can see the color input type, the date time and date time local, and date time local is for local date time and date time is for any date time you want to input. Then the input type image, which has src for image path and alt attribute as submit, is used as an input submission for the form, just like the input type submit. You can see month, range, telephone number and time input. The range is like when you see in the media player there is just volume, but you don't see the actual values. And then there are weak, URL and search input types. The URL input makes sure you type the complete URL and offers some validation, and the search input type allows you to enter the search text, and with using the cross you can reset what you are searching, as you will see when I'm going to show you the output of the code. I'm going to pause there to make sure you can easily go through the code. And now let's see, there's a color input, local date and time and month input. Then you can see the range is not showing the actual value that is behind the scene, but it is allowing you to adjust using the dot and showing you the current value with blue highlight. I will share you the screenshots of these behavior of these inputs in a while, because my screen reader is unable to record the complete behavior of these inputs. The input image type, as you can see, uses an image which is used by input type submit, but the function is same, submitting the form. Now you can see the color input. You can use the dots, one dot to change the shade of the red color and the other to choose the color from a color palette, and you can use at the bottom you can see to change the input of the color. You can use RGB, HSL and hex code. Don't worry about the details, we will cover this in the CSS tutorials. You can see, when you click the month input, you can see the options of month, and you can see the option of years, so you can choose the input accordingly. And for time input, similar to time input in date time local, you can see. And then there's the option of choosing the week, like 37th week of the 2020 year. the URL input field validates the URL. You will need to put HTTP or HTTPS with whole www with a website name .domain .com .pk .uk or and the search input field will allow you to reset the input clicking the cross to reset.